Welcome to this presentation on Latent View Analytics. Latent View Analytics is a pure play data analytics company. Data analytics is an emerging area and it's important because it helps business optimize their performance. The company can use data analytics to make better decisions, develop insights, and help analyze customer trends, satisfaction. This can lead to new and better products and services. So Latent View helps companies to develop insights into their business and make more informed and accurate. The IPO is for aggregate value of 600 crores. It's good to note that majority of this is a fresh issue and only a small portion of 126 crore is as offer for sale. Only 10% of the offer is reserved for retail. The IPO is priced at rupees 197 and the bid lot is 76 shares. Thus, retail portion is likely to be subscribed heavily as only 0.4 lakh applications are required for one-time subscription to the Latent View Analytics was incorporated in 2006 in Chennai. It's one of the leading pure play data analytics company in the country, which is an emerging new area with considerable potential. The company has expertise across the entire value chain of data analytics, starting from data analysis, analytics consulting to business analytics, developing insights, advanced predictive analytics, data engineering, and digital solutions. It serves various industries and increasingly data analytics is used by industries to guide their business strategy and optimize their spending decisions. The company has emerged as a trusted partner to several Fortune 500 companies and includes big names like Adobe. The services offered by Latent View Analytics can be classified into four major categories. One is consulting services, which is understanding business trends, challenges, opportunities, and preparing the basic roadmap for further analysis and analytics. Then data engineering is done to collect data and lay the data foundation to undertake analytics. Next is business analytics, which uses the data to deliver analysis and insights for the clients. And then digital solutions, they are basically used to develop to automate the business process on a continuous basis and generate actionable insights for the business. Latent View Analytics operates across four major segments. Technology is the largest one of them and has been growing over the years. BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance is another segment. There has been some degrowth in this. Industrials is another sector which has also been growing. CPG is consumer packaged goods and retail. This is the fourth segment in which the company operates. Some salient points about the company. Latent View Analytics provides managed solutions and consultancy services. And in this process, they have also developed some in-house software tools which have been implemented in several Fortune 500 companies successfully to automate their business, predict trends, and generate actionable insights. It must be understood that these tools have been developed not for sale but for in-house use by the company. The company has presence across various geographies like United States, Europe, and Asia through subsidiaries in these countries, like in US, Netherlands, Germany, and UK in Europe, and Singapore. It also has sales offices in San Jose, California, and London and Singapore. 90% revenue of the company comes from USA. Latent View is a trusted partner to several Fortune 500 companies. It has worked with over 30 Fortune 500 companies in the last 3 years. This includes big names like Adobe, Uber Technology, and 7 & 11. 7 & 11 . 7 & 11 . 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11. 7 & 11 The anchor book of the company garnered rupees 267 crores from 34 anchor investors, and this included investors like Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Ashoka India Opportunities Fund, HSBC, and several mutual funds like Motilal Oswal, UTI Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Mutual Fund, Axis Mutual Fund, Mirae Asset Mutual Fund, etc. The response can be termed as good. COVID-19 has accelerated the trend for digital solutions. Spending on digital solutions has gone many times. IT spending on digital technologies is expected to touch $2.4 trillion by 2024, which is presently at 1.3 trillion, which was at 1.3 trillion in 2020. So it is about doubling from 2020 level. Within the broader digital technology segment, Latent View Analytics operates in the segment of data analytics. This sub-segment is also expected to grow at a CAGR of 18%. As per a report by Zinnov, it should be noted that the report was commissioned by Latent View and paid by it. 150 crores of the IPO proceeds has been earmarked by Latent View for inorganic growth aligned to its area of focus, that is acquiring some other companies in same area. Company's margin was 27% in FY19. It went to a high of 37% in FY21. However, this may not be sustainable and margins could come down in subsequent years as this may have been a jump due to COVID-19, and as the economy opens up and travel resumes, the margins could come down. That said, data analytics is a huge business with higher margins than IT services. Data analytics consulting firms solve complex and fuzzy problems of the real world. So in that sense, it's not simply arbitrage between labor charges between India and USA or some data support services. The company, to provide its solution, works with CFO, marketing chief, HRD chief, and other business heads. It basically offers what is called managed solutions to the client, which are different from typical IT solutions. This is the reason why the company has many MBAs, people with economics background on its roll, because it analyzes data and brings out actionable insights to the company which can improve its performance in different areas. In the midst of the pandemic, the company has done a significant shift of its business to its offshore centers of excellence at Chennai and Bangalore, which has resulted in good margin expansion. At the upper price end of rupees 197, the offer is being made at a PE of around 43, which looks okay considering the growth prospect. There is no directly comparable listed peer. Company compares itself with Happiest Mind Technology, which is not right because the revenue of Happiest Technology is 3 times of the company and its margins are also more. The grey market premium for Latent Analytics IPO has been reported at around rupees 270. I intend to apply in the IPO due to company's recognized leadership position in data analytics field, which I expect to grow at a good pace, and the company has proven capabilities in this field. Allotment may be quite difficult in this IPO because other IPOs which are coming along with this IPO may not be that attractive. So all the rush will go towards this IPO. Thank you.